It's your Ilongga Get Dressed With Me girly! And for today, magiging dramatic tayo. At iisipin natin si Miss Ivana Alawi, yung ating head designer, head editor, na parang nasa Asia's Next Top Model tayo. Let's go, Miss Ivana. Yung purple lang sa akin po. So this is what I'm planning to wear. So this is from H&M, and this is a flare jeans, and the other one is this one. This is a baggy one from H&M as well. And I'm planning to Miss Ivana, I'm planning to wear this one. This is a No Boundaries for Ukay Ukay. This is only for 34100, and this is the other one that I'm planning to wear. This is, what is this brand? There's no brand, brandless. Brand X Miss Ivana. So for this, I'm thinking all of the options. So let's try to mix and match to create a very casual look for today. Sobrang OA. Miss Ivana, again, purple lang po yung sa akin. Since I'm thinking between the two, and I cannot find my nickel tapes, Miss Ivana, so I'm looking forward to wearing this one. It's because it has already a padding. So let's try it on. Ivana, this is how I look. And mind you, Miss Ivana, this is only for 34100. So you get 3 pieces of this one for only 100 pesos. So how is it, Miss Ivana? Purple lang po yung sa akin, ha? This is not in the list anymore. Let's put it on the other side. So, can I wear this one? I don't want to wear something na masikip ngayon for today, Miss Ivana, kasi it's my second day of my period and ayoko na masikip. Gusto ko lang yung pants. So, try this. Okay. Pulit on, Miss Ivana. Wait, napaka-OA na talaga, pero purple lang yung sa akin. I think this is working out. And it gives off the vibe that I want. Just a carefree vibe. So this is it so far, Miss Ivana. Purple lang po yung sa akin. So how is it, Miss Ivana? This is from Ukay, and this is from H&M. Sandali lang po. Kukuha lang po ako ng ang iingay. Kukuha lang po ng aking footwear. Sandali. For my footwear, ayun, so ready. Kamusta naman po, Miss Ivana? Parang nahuhulma na po ba ako kagaya ninyo? Purple lang po yung sa akin. This is it, my outfit. What do you think? Yung gagamitin ko, Ma'am Ivana, for my bag. Okay lang po ba ito? Or is it out of the way? So ito na po, Ma'am Ivana. And this is my style for today. And purple lang po yung sa akin. So, yeah. So yun lang, guys. Again, it's your Ilongga Get Dressed With Me girly, Ma'am Ivana, Asia's Next Top Model Edition. Asia's Next Top Model. Yun lang, guys. Bye.